find here shape of cones. Cone have two height, one direct height and one slant height. One height and one slant height. This is radius. When we cut this cone from here, we find this shape. We find this shape. So this shape, this part is represented here. This part is represented here. If we cut this part in very small part, very small part, and we write every time we find this distance is equal to L, and we make a triangle. Make a triangle. This is a isosceles triangle. This is a isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle. This is B1, this is B2, this is B3, this is B4, and area base into height. We use area of triangle. Area of one triangle base into height. Base into height. Area, surface area, curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone. These are many times we find area of this is equal to 1 upon 2 base B1 and height L. Area base into height 1 upon 2 B2 into L, 1 upon 2 B3 into L, and we do this work at many times. When you take common 1 upon 2L, this is equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 dot dot dot. This distance is equal to this part. This part from here to here. And this distance represents the circumference of base. B1 plus B2 plus B3 represent the distance circumference of base. Means this is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Since B1 plus B2 plus B3 dot 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 is equal to 2 pi r. Is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore, we write here 1 upon 2 L into 2 pi r. 2 to cancel out, we find pi r L. Pi r. The curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L unit square. Unit square. Unit square. Total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone. Surface area of cone is equal to curved surface area plus area of one face. Curved surface area. Curved surface area plus area of one face. Area of one face means pi r L plus pi r square. We take common pi r L plus r. This is the total surface area of the cone unit square. Unit square. If height and radius given but slant height not given, we use Pythagoras theorem. Slant height of cone L is equal to L square is equal to H square plus R square. R we write also L is equal to root H square plus R square. If two variable known, we find the third variable. If L and R given, we find H. If L and H given, we find R. If H and R given, we find L with the help of this formula. Volume of cone. Volume of cone. Volume. This is the fourth formula. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h unit cube. unit pi r square h unit cube. 1 by 3 pi r square unit cube. This is the volume of cone. Volume of cone. This is the formula surface area of cone, total surface area of cone, formula to find the slant height and volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h unit cube. Sphere. Sphere is the shape of three dimension, but here we represent in the shape of circular form. But suppose that this is three dimensional shape. It have radius r. It have radius r. When we rolled out wire around the sphere, we find the area of wire in four time. In the four time of the radius of circle of the sphere equal to the radius of a sphere. Means suppose that we use this and we divide it four part like this. If we take if you rolled out around the sphere of a wire, and when the length of wire we check by mathematician, find like this, means four time of a radius of circle. This is the radius of wire is equal to radius of a sphere. Radius of circle is the radius of a sphere. This is four time. Four time like this. So this radius of wire r, this radius of circle is equal to radius of sphere. This is four time. Therefore, surface area of sphere. Only one surface area of sphere, cut surface, and only one surface of a sphere, cut surface. Cut surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, means 4 times area of circle. Unit square. Unit square. And volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube unit cube. Unit cube. This is first formula and this is second formula. This is the shape of hemisphere. Hemisphere have two surface, one curved surface and one plane surface. One curved surface and one plane surface. Therefore, fourth, curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square unit square. And total surface area of hemisphere, this is third and this is fourth. Total surface area of hemisphere, total surface area of hemisphere, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square plus area of circular pi r square surface is equal to 3 pi r square, equal to 3 pi r square unit square. And volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube unit cube. Pi r cube unit. This is the formula of sphere and hemisphere.